Hello, Victor here at restoremercedes.com. This video is for a local customer in New York City, Mehmed. And here we have central locking pump for 215 chassis. It's from CL55. I'm just testing it out real quick in my car. This is my pump. This is a 220 chassis pump. Let's take a look at numbers. But that one is basically going to be the same. Because 215, 220 chassis, they're pretty much brothers. This one is numbers here is what, 1148 and this one is 0748, but these are reprogrammable. I mean, they can be put in different cars as long as the programming is different. I mean, as long as programming is replaced. So anyway, I didn't do anything. I just put the pump in, fixed it up. Problem with solenoids. Let's just show the door locking. So here is our key. Hit the button. Oh, didn't catch the... Oh, my keys battery's going low. Okay. All right. So lock. Come on. Yeah, unlock. I gotta get close because I think my battery is going. Well, anyway, so as you can see, doors lock, doors unlock. Let's listen to the pump activation. So just lock it, unlock it. Very nice activation, quick, does not run over time. That means in my door locking system at least there are no leaks. It's a very nice pump. I mean, it doesn't have issues with a pressure valve because, again, as you can see, it locks and unlocks very nicely. I do have leaks in my close assists, so we're gonna just wait until it pulls door in, but pump runs for too long. You can still hear it run. It's running for too long. But anyway, it is what it is. Now, this is a project car, so don't mind the mess. And got some wires, whatever, just run bypassing. Trunk assist hydraulics are leaking here, so there might not be a very accurate test of the trunk. See, something is, it just messes up. Okay, let me just at least unlock it. I mean, it does work, but yeah. Okay, but the thing is, it's not the right pump for this. So yeah, so that is what it is. But the idea here is, like I said, to show the operation. Although this is a four-door car versus a coupe, so we got suction. You've seen the trunk pop, very important. So I'll just see the doors pull. Doors pull. Locks work. This was the idea, just to show. Yeah, the battery is weak. It works. I don't really want to run it for very, very long time, but this is a suction. Very long, but I know, but I have leaks in the system, so. Door locking and unlocking, I do not have a leak. My pump works exactly the same way because, again, of leaks inside door locking mechanisms. Alright, so this is basically going to be all. Just want to show the operation. It works and ready to go. So off we go. This is Victor at restoremercedes.com. Thank you for watching.